Okay guys, so this video is about foot care for runners. So if you're grossed out by feet, turn away now. It's gonna be a lot of feet in this video and video series I'm doing. So the first thing I wanna show you is some foot strengthening stuff, or just one aspect of it. There's a great thing that we like to teach everybody called toe yoga. So let me bring the camera down here. Okay, toe yoga, let's see here, is can you lift your big toe while keeping the other toes down? I'm doing okay. And then lift your other toes up like that, back and forth. Okay, give that a try. That's the first aspect of having foot strength, is actually being able to control your foot. And then I do have another video series on foot strength specifically for runners, or maybe I'll do another video, but give that a try. See if you can try to do some toe yoga. If you can do it, you can spread your toes out, and that's great for your feet. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about with foot care for runners is just caring for your feet in general. Obviously, in my job, I get to look at a lot of feet, and like some people, it doesn't gross me out. I'm fine with it. But what I notice is a lot of people have some very large calluses, some toenails that are maybe not trimmed correctly or trimmed at all, and some really dry feet. So part of being a runner and caring for your feet, since that's the big part of your body that's impacted with running, is making sure you inspect your feet on a regular basis. Use moisturizer on your feet, any kind of lotion, to try to keep your feet from drying out. That keeps the calluses from getting too hard and too soft. And then there's a variety of things that if you suffer from painful calluses or blisters, let us know. There's different things that we can do to help you with that inside your shoes and things like that. So inspect your feet, take care. The third thing I want to talk to you about for foot care for runners is to get some toe spreaders. So when your toes are able to be spread, then you have a wider basis of support, a stronger foot, and unfortunately, most people wear shoes where the toes are cramped together too tight, pointy shoes, and that actually makes for a weaker foot over time and a foot that doesn't work well. So there's a variety of toe spreaders. Most of them are silicone. Here's a pair that I have. Let's see if we can get down here and show you. So you can kind of see, you slide them on over your toes, right? They keep the toes nice and spread out like this. It's a good idea just to start with this by wearing them around in your home in the evening and trying them out that way, just wearing them around a little bit till you get used to them, or you can even wear them at night. But over time, this can help you build some foot strength and not have your toes so close together and prevent bunions too. So get yourself some toes. Okay, so another aspect of foot care that's really important for runners is to actually work on the joint right above the foot, the ankle. When you're running with proper form, the ankle has to have a lot of what we call dorsiflexion, which is your toes coming towards your shin. And so being able to work on that dorsiflexion is really important to keep that joint loose. So one of the easiest ways to do this is just to find something hard like this. Don't worry, I will wash this after I'm done in case you come in here to see us and you put your coffee cup on here or something. So you put your foot on something hard like this, and then you're basically just pushing forward, right? You're getting some maximum knee flexion, but you're also going into a lot of dorsiflexion here, mobilizing that ankle joint back and forth. This will really help you when it comes to having the ankle mobility that you need for running with proper form. Right, so also when it comes to foot care for runners, let's talk obviously a little bit about shoes and socks. So first thing is, don't wear worn out shoes to run in. Make sure you keep track of your mileage. Your running shoe store can help you with this and have them check your shoes, or maybe keep on file when you bought your shoes. There's apps to keep track of this, and make sure you're not running on worn out shoes, because that can cause some problems. Then obviously with the toe spreaders, the toe yoga, I'm a big fan of foot strength and having a shoe that has a wide toe box. I'm a fan of these Ultra shoes. If you are new to Ultra shoes, they also have a no drop in them, so don't buy a pair of these and go out and run right away. You can strain your calf. I can do another video on that at some point too. And then also socks. I'm a big fan of these Belega socks like this, because they actually, if you're gonna spread your toes, you should have room to spread your toes. I found a lot of running socks to be too tight. So wide toe box and stretchy socks.